greatest increases in not only power, What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in on today's video. We're down in Coldwater, Michigan, Branch County, and we made one change to the truck. Not really anything related to suspension or anything like that. Primarily related to the engine. We got a hold of RCD Performance, and we picked up ourselves a Thumper 2 high pressure oil pump, just to make sure that we are holding ICP. We're not going to be dropping ICP. That's unacceptable. We want all the power we can possibly get. Went truck pulling, Branch County, Coldwater, Michigan. Let's do it. All right, so a really awesome turnout down in Branch County. Super happy that we had a ton of guys pulling in the class. We ended up getting first place. We put some serious distance on second place. It was a lot of fun. The truck performed really well. A little bit of a hop at the beginning. We just kind of worked our way through it, got into it full throttle, hit lockup, and sent it down the way. The truck just made some serious steam. We had serious 25 some mile per hour going down track, and it was just awesome time. Kind of wished I would have bumped up into the work stock class, just because they didn't have a whole lot of people show up for that class, and we probably could have placed in the top 3, but we didn't. We stuck with just our normal street diesel, farm stock diesel class, and yeah, we took home first place, took some home some money in our pocket. Stay tuned for the next one, guys. We've got more sled pulling action coming your guys' way. The next video, we are pulling not only in the farm stock class, but we do bump up to work stock class. And you guys are going to want to stay tuned for how we do against the big boys. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you in the next one.